Welcome to Computer Online class for Standard 8. Welcome back student. Have an awesome day. Life is better when you smile. Hope you all are fine and in good health. So let us begin with our computer subject. In last virtual class we had learned about CPU in detail. Now in this video you are going to learn some remaining topics of chapter 1, that is computer accessories part 3. So let's get started. So students, let us start with a new topic with the same chapter, computer accessories part 3. In the previous video, we had learned what is peripherals, the CPU and its parts, block diagram of computer and computer memory. Now in this video we are going to learn about input devices and output devices. Input devices. In a computer, information enters through the input devices. Some common input devices are given below: keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, headphone, digital camera, barcode reader, etc. So these are input devices which are commonly used. Input devices are devices that provide information and data to the computer. An input device is a machine that feeds data into a computer and sends information to the CPU to perform a specific function. We, the computer user, use every day the keyboard to enter the data into our computer system. But do you know what are the parts of keyboard? Or what are they called? Are you familiar with their function? So let's learn together. The keyboard. The keyboard is an input device. It looks like a typewriter machine. It is consisting of a set of typewriter keys that enable you to enter data into a computer. Computer keyboard can type words, numbers and symbol by using the buttons. These buttons are called keys. The computer keyboard has 104 keys. So student, let us learn more about keyboard. There are 6 different sets of keys on the keyboard which is used for different functions. First one is alphabet keys, second is number keys, third is arrow key, fourth is special keys, fifth is function keys and sixth is special character keys. Now let us learn parts of keyboard. Alphabetic keys to type alphabet A to Z, small and capital. Numeric key which is on the second row of the keyboard along with the characters. Then this is a numeric keypad to type numbers which is on the right hand side of the keyboard. Function keys, there are 12 sets of function key from F1 to F12. Control key is used along with the other key as a control command key. Then window key is used to open and close start menu. Alt key is also a command key used along with the other keys. Spacebar key is to leave the space between the two words while typing. Then this is a 4 arrow key, up, down, left and right for moving the cursor. Print screen, scroll lock, pause and break button. insert, delete, home and page up and page down. These keys are used while editing. Num lock, caps lock, scroll lock, on and off can indicator. Then there is a escape, backspace, tab, caps lock, shift and num lock key. And the most important key is enter key. So enter key is most important because the data which is typed, and when you press enter it goes to CPU for processing. So it is called a most important key of the keyboard. I hope everybody have understood the different parts of the keyboard. Now let us see graphical presentation of parts of keyboard. The mouse. The mouse is an input device. The mouse is a device that controls the movement of the cursor or pointer on a display screen. There are two types of mouse, wireless and wired mouse, as you can see in the image given below. Types of mouse. There are three basic types of mouse. They are mechanical mouse, optomechanical mouse and optical mouse. More about mouse. A mouse is an input device. It is also known as pointing device. A mouse is used to select an open program by pointing the pointer at them on the screen. A mouse is used to draw or color picture on the screen. The mouse is attached to the CPU with a long wire. The mouse has left button and right button and scroll wheel in center. The left button is used to select and click object on the monitor. The right button helps us to perform some quick task with the option on the monitor. The central scroll wheel is used to move the cursor in any direction on the monitor. A computer mouse is used by pressing its buttons. Pressing button on a mouse is called clicking. Clicking means to press and release the mouse button once. Left button and right button of the mouse. A mouse can be clicked in two different ways, left click and the right click. Left click means to press and release the left button of the mouse. Right click means to press and release the right button of the mouse. Single click means to press and release the mouse button once. Single click is used to select an object or document on the computer screen. Double click means to press and release the mouse button twice quickly. Double click is used to open a file or document. The small moving arrow on the screen of the monitor is called the mouse pointer or cursor. Input devices. Joystick is an input device. A joystick is an input device consisting of a stick that pivots on the base and used to give direction to the device. Joysticks are often used to control video game. Joystick is similar to a mouse except that with a mouse the cursor stops moving as soon as you stop moving the mouse. With a joystick the pointer continues moving in the direction the joystick to its upright position. Most joysticks include two buttons called triggers. Scanner. Scanner is an input device. Scanner. A scanner is an input device that scans documents such as photographs and page to text. This creates an electronic version of the document that can be viewed and edited on a computer. Most scanners are flatbed devices, which means they have a flat scanning surface. A scanner is an input device that can read text or illustration printed on a paper and translate the information into a form that the computer can use. The scanner works by digitizing an image. To edit text read by an optical scanner, you need an optical character recognition, that is OCR system, to translate the image into ASCII characters. ASCII characters, the full form is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. There are four types of scanner: flatbed scanner, sheet fed scanner, handheld scanner and drum scanner. Digital camera. Digital camera are input-output device. Digital camera is a camera that captures photographs in digital memory. However, unlike film cameras, digital cameras can display images on a screen immediately after being recorded and stored and delete images from memory. Many digital cameras can also record moving video with sound. Images can be input into a computer using digital camera. These images can be manipulated in many ways using the various imaging tools available. Barcode reader. Barcode is an input device. Barcode reader. A barcode reader is an input device. Like the other input devices, a barcode reader is bringing in inputting information from the outside world into a computer or other electronic device. If the barcode reader also has a screen that displays output result or print result, it would be considered as an input-output device. Barcode reader are photoelectrical scanner that read the barcodes or vertical zebra strip marked printed on product container. Supermarket use barcode system called Universal Product Code. The barcode identifies the product and matches it to the supermarket's computer, which has a description and the latest price of the product. The computer automatically tells what's the price of the item is. Headphones. Headphone is input-output device. Headphones are input-output device. When headphones are connected to a computer, laptop, smartphone, etc., they receive information outputted from the computer. This means headphones are output devices. Headphones with built-in microphones are input and output devices according to the computer. Light pen. Light pen is an input device. Light pens can be used as input coordinator position by providing necessary arrangement. If background color or intensity, a light pen can be used as a locator. It is used as a standard pick device with many graphic systems. It can be used as a stroke input devices. Output devices. Output devices are speaker, monitor, headphone, plotter, projector, printer. Monitor. A computer monitor is an output device that displays information in pictorial form. A monitor usually comprises the visual display, circuitry, casing, and power supply. Types of computer monitor. CRT monitors, that is cathode ray tube monitors. These monitors employ CRT technology, which was used most commonly in the manufacturing of television screen. LCD monitors. LCD full form is liquid crystal display monitors. The LCD monitor incorporates one of the most advanced technology available today. LED monitors. LED, the full form is light emitting decodes monitors. These are the latest monitors available in market today. Printer. Printer is an output device. Printer. A printer is a device that prints text or illustration on paper, and in many cases on transparency and other media. In computing, a printer is a peripheral device which makes a persistent representation of graphics or text, usually on paper. Plotter. Plotter is an output device. Plotter. The plotter is a computer printer for printing vector graphics. In the past, plotter were used in applications such as computer-aided designing, though they have generally been replaced with wide format conventional printer. A plotter gives a hard copy of the output. It draws pictures on a paper using a pen. Speaker. Speakers are an output device. Speakers are an output device. Speakers are one of the most common output devices used with the computer system. Speakers are transducers that converts electromagnetic waves into sound wave. The speakers receive audio input from a device such as a computer on an audio receiver. LCD projector. LCD projector is an output device. LCD projector. An LCD projector is a type of video projector for displaying video, images, or computer data on a screen or other flat surface. It is a modern equivalent of the slide projector or overhead projector. Headset. Headset is an output device. Headphone has an integrated mic that is not attached or visible and mostly used for listening to audio files. Summary for Chapter 1 Part 3 Input Device and Output Device. So we will meet in the next class with a new chapter. So student, meet you all in the next class. Goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe.